Have you ever wondered how your body knows what to do, even when you're not thinking about it? Whether it's breathing, walking, or reacting to a loud noise, the nervous system is behind it all. The nervous system is your body's command center. It collects information from inside and outside your body, processes it, and tells your body how to respond. It's made up of a complex network of billions of nerve cells that work together to keep you alive, alert, and active. It controls everything from your heartbeat and digestion to memory and emotions. Without it, life as we know it wouldn't be possible. Central nervous system, the brain and spinal cord. The CNS is the core of the nervous system. It includes the brain and spinal cord, both protected by bones, skull and spine, and cushion by fluid. The brain, cerebrum, the largest part of the brain, divided into two hemispheres. It handles thinking, memory, movement, and senses. Cerebellum, located at the back of the brain. It controls balance, coordination, and fine motor skills. Brainstem connects the brain to the spinal cord. It manages basic functions like breathing, heartbeat, and sleep. The spinal cord acts like a superhighway for signals, carrying messages between the brain and the rest of the body. It's protected by vertebrae and allows reflexes to happen instantly. Peripheral nervous system, the body's messenger network. The PNS includes all the nerves outside the brain and spinal cord. It connects the CNS to your limbs, organs, and skin. The peripheral nervous system is divided into two major types of nerves. Cranial nerves arise directly from the brain and control functions like sight, smell, and facial movement. Spinal nerves extend from the spinal cord and manage movement and sensation in the rest of the body. The PNS is like the communication network that links the brain to every corner of your body. Autonomic nervous system, automatic body functions. This part of the PNS handles involuntary actions, things your body does automatically. It has two parts. Sympathetic nervous system activates the fight or flight response or speeding up heart rate, dilating pupils and redirecting blood to muscles during stress. Parasympathetic nervous system does the opposite of calming the body, slowing heart rate and aiding digestion. Together, they maintain balance, called homeostasis, keeping your body functioning properly. Neurons and synapses, the signal carriers. Neurons are the basic units of the nervous system, specialized cells that send and receive signals. Each neuron has three main parts. Dendrites receive incoming signals from other neurons. Cell body integrates the signals received by the dendrites and generates an electrical impulse. Axon carries the electrical impulse away from the cell body to other neurons, muscles, or glands. Synapse, the tiny gap between neurons where signals are passed using chemicals called neurotransmitters. Signals travel as electrical impulses down the axon, jump the synapse using neurotransmitters, and continue their journey, often at lightning speed. Reflex arcs and motor control, fast responses. Reflexes are automatic responses that happen without thinking, like pulling your hand away from a hot stove. This is called a reflex arc, a direct connection between sensory and motor neurons via the spinal cord, skipping the brain to save time. Motor control, on the other hand, involves the brain planning and executing voluntary movements, like walking or picking up a cup. Sensory input, how we feel the world. Your nervous system collects information using sensory receptors in your skin, eyes, ears, nose, and tongue. These detect touch, pressure, pain, temperature, sound and balance, light and color, taste and smell. All this input is sent to the brain, which processes it and decides how you react. Brain function overview, the mind in action. Your brain is a multitasking powerhouse. Some key brain functions include memory, stored in different areas, like the hippocampus. Emotion, controlled by the limbic system. Movement, managed by the motor cortex and cerebellum. Language, in areas like Broca's and Wernicke's. Problem solving and decision making, handled in the frontal lobe. Each part of the brain has a specific role, but they work together in harmony to make us who we are. Disorders and diseases when things go wrong. Unfortunately, the nervous system can be affected by various conditions. Stroke happens when blood flow to the brain is interrupted, causing brain cells to die. Parkinson's disease, a disorder of movement due to lack of dopamine. Epilepsy involves sudden, abnormal electrical activity in the brain, causing seizures. These conditions show how vital a healthy nervous system is for normal life. If you learned something new, give this video a like and subscribe for more. Got a topic in mind? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.